many satellites. We have been launching satellites for many years, but we have a specific Earth observation program, which is to do with satellites that view the Earth and observe various different things.
This is a grant funded that we secured from the Future Earth and the European Space Agency, and that went back to early last year. We believe, and I would say strongly believe, that the media is the bridge between science, society, and even policy. As such, whatever you do, or we do as a university, we need to share that knowledge. But our knowledge comes in scientific jargons, words that are not easily understood by the public. But then the media, when you put them through, when you expose them to this kind of journals in demystified language, then the media will take it down to the public, especially and essentially in what affects their environment.
Achieving transformative flood risk management in informal African cities using demystified Earth observation. The event is sponsored by the European Space Agency, Future Earth, and Bayero University, Kano. The workshop bridges the gap between science and society. For years, satellites have watched our planet. Now their data empowers storytellers to decode climate change, disaster risks, and resilience. The media is the bridge, translating complex science into voices that inspire action. From shrinking Lake Chad to rising floodwaters, Earth observation reveals the truth in time-lapse. Clarity helping communities prepare, adapt, and thrive.
We will have this series of images, and we will understand the changes that happen over time. And we play this for accurate reporting. We could play this in terms of time lapse. People could easily understand.
Give an example of maybe the watery channel, which one I was talking about. Maybe because during the rainy season, there have been some certain signals that the level of the water within the river is continuously rising. You have to one needs to understand the hazard, identify the risk, produce warning, and then there was to be an action when an early warning is given. Because that's the essence of it. You inform people to act, not to relax. I hope it's clear.
Very important that in the pursuit of knowledge and the advancement of society, we recognize that the challenges of climate change and environmental degradation are among the most pressing existential threats of our time. So for northern Nigeria especially, and indeed the entire Sahel region, these are not abstract concepts. They manifest in shrinking Lake Chad, encouraging desertification, drying rangelands, and increasingly unpredictable weather patterns that threaten livelihood and food security. I believe from the change in weather for this year especially, for those of us that don't really believe that it's climate change, I think now we should be thinking otherwise. So the media occupies a unique and indispensable position in the fight against climate change and the pursuit of environmental sustainability. You are the bridge between scientific knowledge and public understanding.
Agroclimate News helps to turn knowledge into impact because understanding our earth is the first step to protecting it. Zahraddeen Yakub Shuaibu, Agroclimate News.